In today's video, I want to introduce an incredible indicator on TradingView that helps you easily find fair value gaps on the chart. First, let me explain very shortly about fair value gaps and then I will introduce the indicator. Fair value gap is a concept in SMC trading method and it shows inefficiencies or imbalances in the market. These imbalances are reflected on the chart in the form of a 3 candles pattern, which the middle one is a relatively large candle and for the other 2 bordering candles, their lower shadow and upper shadow do not overlap, and also better not to have overlap between the body of the middle candle with the other 2 bordering candles. This is an example of fair value gap, but this one here, this is not a fair value gap. Although we have relatively large middle candle, but there is an overlap between the body of the middle candle and its bordering candle. Fair value gaps usually happen when the price reaches to liquidity level and then it reverses, and in the reversal usually we have displacement, and depending on the market condition, fair value gaps can be created by the help of displacement candle or candles. I don't get into more details regarding smart money concept method of trading. I have a guide on this. The link is also placed in the description and I recommend you to watch it later if you're interested. If you want complete and detailed tutorials about smart money concept trading method, I recommend you to check the Inner Circle Trader YouTube page, who is the author and creator of Smart Money Concepts, and there you can find more comprehensive tutorials about different concepts of this trading method. Alright, getting back to our video, now let me introduce an indicator on TradingView that can help you to easily find fair value gaps on the chart. Here we click on indicators and we search fair value gaps. We add this one, fair value gaps volumetric, which is a free indicator from Fluxchart. Alright, as you can see, the indicator has identified this fair value gaps that formed here, and we have also some information inside the zone. The excellent feature of this indicator is that it provides volumetric information about the fair value gaps that it identifies on the chart. As I explained earlier, fair value gaps shows inefficiencies or imbalances in the market. So having information about volume for the identified fair value gaps is a great advantage for evaluating their strength and importance on the chart. This indicator provides information about total volume for the fair value gap, so you can relatively compare it with other fair value gaps or the average volume that you have with fair value gaps, so you can have an evaluation on the strength or significance of the fair value gaps. The higher the volume, the stronger and significant is the zone, because it shows that the market participants were more active in that price range. And this indicator also provides a ratio of bearish and bullish volume in the identified fair value gaps, so you can better evaluate the fair value gap in terms of bullish and bearish forces and their strength. For easier evaluation, you can easily compare the strength of bullish and bearish volume by the help of these green and red bars. For example, for this bullish fair value gap, we have considerably higher bullish volume in compared to bearish volume, as you can see. So it would be a stronger zone in compared to another fair value gap if, for example, there is equal bullish and bearish volume. This indicator is a very powerful indicator for identifying fair value gaps, and by the help of this innovative method and providing volumetric information, it effectively helps you to evaluate the strength of fair value gaps for better trading decision. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video and good luck with your trading.